How we doing, everyone? This is the Mask Collector. We are going on an adventure to try and pull some secret rares out of the Sword and Shield base set. We have 24 Sword and Shield packs, and we're going to be going through every single one of them, trying to get a couple of secret rares that I don't have yet. So in this set, there's 14 total, 8 of which are rainbow rares, and 6 are gold cards. Now the 2 that I really need are the Zacian and Zamazenta V, both of them. So let's see what we can do. We're gonna jump right into it. You guys go ahead and smash that like button. Let's jump right in. Here we go. Okay, pack number 1. We got Dark Energy, Galvantula, Lanoon, Energy Switch, Sizzlipede, Zigzagoon, Munna, Snom, Grookey, we got a reverse Claydol, and a Roserade rare. Alright, pack number 2. Okay, we got Steel, Great Ball, Potion, Rhydon, Nickit, Chinchou, Diglett, Ferroseed, Goldeen, got Bisharp reverse, and a Mudsdale. Alright, pack number 3. Come on, let's get some good luck here. Here we go. Okay, we got Water Energy, Hop, Pokegear 3.0, Sudowoodo, Silicobra, Yamper, Grookey, Cufant, Baltoy, we got a reverse Citrus Berry, and we got a Frostmoth holographic. First pull. Let's put that right there. Alright, pack number 4. Okay, got a Rare Candy, Lumberry, Corvisquire, Yamper, Grookey, Cufant, Baltoy, Chinchou, Minccino reverse, and the Musharna. Alright, next pack. Here we go. Okay, we got Electric Energy, Switch, Ferrothorn, Raboot, Shelder, Grogunk, Silicobra, Minccino, Vulpix, we got a reverse Ferroseed, and an Indeedee V. Alright, that's a good pull right there. Here we go. Okay, we got Fire, Eldegoss, Air Balloon, Palpad, Roselia, Joltik, Silicobra, Flipbug, Goldeen, got the reverse Cottony, and a Lantern. Okay. Here we go. Dark Energy, Mantine, Dottler, Corvisquire, Sobble, Maractus, Mudbray, Pawniard, Scorbunny, we got the reverse Clobbopus, and we got the Torkoal V. Alright, that is an amazing pull. Beautiful. Alright, 3 so far. Here we go again. Come on. Like I said, we're looking for those secret rares. Here we go. Fire, Lucky Egg, Mantine, Crushing Hammer, Mudbray, Pawniard, Scorbunny, Nickit, Chinchou. We got the Centiskorch reverse rare, and we got the Cinderace holographic. Right on, back to back, 3 good pulls. Let's see if we can keep it going. Come on, keep it going. Let's see a secret rare. Okay, here we go. Come on. We got Hunter Thwacky, Palpad, Rookidee, Krabby, Grookey, Mudbray, Hoot Hoot. We got the reverse Galarian Linoon and the Copperjaw holographic. Right on. That is 4 back-to-back good pulls. This is looking good so far. Come on, let's see what we got. See if we can get one of those secret rares. Hitmonchan, Galarian Linoon, Seaking, Pikachu, Galarian Meowth, Sizzlipede, Wooloo, Grookey, Reverse Claydol, and the Ninetales. Alright, here we go. Come on, we're looking for a secret rare. Come on. Hey. Come on, let's let that focus. There we go. Alright, that's better. Alright, there we go. That looks better. Alright, we got Great Ball, Potion, Rhydon, Salandit, Clobbopus, Gastly, Rookidee, Sizzlipede, we got the reverse Rhyhorn, and an Inteleon holographic. Alright, that's nice. We got the Cinderace and the Inteleon. So that's pretty good so far. Alright, here we go. Next pack. It's still no gold cards yet. Come on. Here we go. Metal, Quillfish, Pokekid, Energy Search, Ponyard, Sizzlipede, Yamper, Clobbopus, Cottony, Energy Search, Reverse, and the Galarian Rapidash. Alright, let's get some of these cleaned up here. Alright, here we go again. Come on, keep the good pulls coming. Okay, we got Electric, Palpad, Citrus Berry, Quillfish, Munna, Snom, Grookey, Shelder, Mawile, Reverse Grookey, that's nice, and the Raichu rare. Alright. Okay, next pack. Come on, let's get a secret rare out of here. Come on, baby. Secret rare. Okay, here we go. We got Team Yellgrunt, Drizzle, Galarian Stunfisk, Sizzlipede, Yamper, Clobbopus, Cottony, Chutol. We got the reverse Baltoy, and we got the Rillaboom holographic. That is insane, guys. So we got all 3 of them in this pool. Here we have Inteleon holographic, we got the Rillaboom, and we got the Cinderace. All 3 starters we pulled right there. That is awesome. There we go, guys. Let's keep it moving. Let's see what we got. Come on, we need those secret rares. Here we go. Corvisquire, Galvantula, Galarian Linoon, Hoot Hoot, Scorbunny, Pikachu, Sinistea, Wooloo. We got the Great Ball. Here we go. We got the Rhyperior Holo. Alright, guys. We are killing it on the holos. It's just insane. So, we got 8 packs left. So, we're 16 packs in. And we have 8 good pulls. So the odds right now are certainly in our favor. 1 out of 2 has been a holographic or, you know, a V card, which is great. All right, here we go. Energy Switch, Dottler, Galarian Stunfisk, Galarian Ponyta, Sobble, Maractus, Mudbray, Poniard, the Sandaconda Rare Reverse, and the Corviknight. Okay, here we go. Come on, bring in the good luck. Let's get it. Come on, here we go. We need a gold card. We need one of those secret rares. We got the Corvisquire, Great Ball, Potion, Rhyhorn, Rookidee, Krabby, Grookey, Mudbray. We got the reverse Cufant, and an Inteleon Holo, another one. I cannot believe we just pulled another Inteleon holographic. All right, guys, here we go. Next pack. Okay, we got Heatmore, Metal Saucer, Quick Ball, Snom, Grookey, Shelder, Mawile, Galarian Ponyta, the reverse Scorbunny. That's an awesome pull. And more Pico. All right, here we go. 5 more packs. Let's see what we can get. 5 packs, guys. Okay, we got Grass, Evolution Incense, Salazzle, Bisharp, Chinchou, Krabby, Minccino, Galarian Ponyta, Cottonee. We got the Metal Saucer Reverse, and the Cinccino. All right, come on, we got 4 packs. Let's see if we can do it. We need one secret rare out of these 4 packs. Here we go. Fighting, Raboot, Rare Candy, Lumberry, Mawile, Gossifleur, Goldeen, Diglett, Skorupi, Grookey Reverse, awesome, and the Whimsicott Rare. All right, 3 more packs. Come on. Give us some good luck here. Here we go. We need a secret rare. Come on, just one to make this an amazing video. Energy Switch, Bisharp, Salazzle, Shelder, Grogunk, Silicobra, Minccino, Vulpix. We got the reverse Rookidee, and we got the Celebi V. All right, that's another good pull. I like it. All right, we're down to 2 more. Here we go. Can we get one secret rare out of 24 packs? Okay, we got Fire, Team Yell Grunt, Drizzle, Galarian Stunfisk, Chewtle, Rhyhorn, got Rookidee, Krabby, Grookey, Poniard Reverse, and the Dreadnought. All right, last pack. Can we get a little last pack magic? Here we go. Okay. Dark, Great Ball, Galarian Linoone, Rotom Bike, Baltoy, Chinchou, Krabby, Minccino, Galarian Ponyta. We got the reverse Centiskorch Rare, and the Snorlax Rare. And that is it. 24 Sword and Shield packs. We didn't get any of the secret rares, but we did get some awesome pulls. We got 2 Inteleon holographics, 1 Rillaboom holo. We got a Cinderace holo, Rhyperior. You know, we got Copperjaw. Looks like the Torkoal V. That's going to be the best one that we pulled. You know, we got the Celebi, we got the Indeedee, the Frostmoth holo. So all in all, pretty good. You know, we got 10 good pulls out of 24 packs, so it's definitely good odds. But thank you guys for watching. You guys have a great day. Remember, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think.